Hi everyone. One of my viewers has asked me a question. What's it like when you've got some low tyre pressures? So what I'm going to do is take some air out my tyres and go off for a drive and find out. Right, let's have a look at the damage. There you go, it's come up straight away. We should be running at 33 psi, but we're running at 22. Now, I don't advise doing this, to be honest. Lower tyre pressures can cause problems. If I was to go over a pothole and my tyres were really low, you risk ripping sidewalls and damaging the tyre. If you run your tyre on absolutely no pressure, you will absolutely destroy it. So don't do this. I have calculated that 22 psi or thereabouts with these run flat tyres, I shouldn't be too bad. I'm not going far, I'm just literally going to go a little bit further around the corner, so we can see that we've got some lower tyre pressures. If your car doesn't tell you, how can you find out? Well, let's have a little look. It says even here, tyre pressure low, contact roadside assistance, run flat tyres. Well, this car has got run flat tyres, so I could effectively still drive, but I wouldn't advise. I'm not going to do this for very long anyway. So let's have a little look and see whether I can feel any difference in how the car drives. So what I'd be looking for first of all is whether or not that the car pulls to one side or the other. So I'm just going to have a little look on this stretch. Does it pull? No, not at all. Okay, so I can't tell in my car in that particular way. Let's have a feel as we go around this corner. Now I can feel straight away, I can feel that the steering is a little bit, I can only describe it as being a little soft and woolly on this front corner. It's not quite as direct as maybe it was before. So that can be one way that you tell. Under braking, you could very well have the car maybe pulling towards one side or the other, although that could be a problem with your brakes also. For me, it's all about feel, to be honest. You're used to your car and how it feels all the time, and if there's any different feel, even sat here when I'm steering, I can feel a little bit of difference. So if there's anything different than you feel, or that you normally feel, check it out. I'm just purposefully going over a few of those bumps, and it feels a little bit softer over the bumps. Going over a speed bump here, it does feel actually a little softer on this right front corner. But not everyone's a driving nit like me, so I don't expect you to all feel every tiny little change in your car. All the advice I would give is do as we recommend and check your tyre pressures once a week. Now, for me, that'll do. I'm actually going to turn around and go and stick some air back in the tyre. In fact, I might even do it here before I head back to mine, because I don't want to risk a thing. I hope that helps. Keep safe, everyone. I'll see you soon.